Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Changing moods of winters have been witnessed in many Indian states, with many reeling under the cold snap and rains. The northern parts of the country do receive some winter rains on account of the western disturbance that approaches the western Himalayas and its induced circulation over the northern Indian plains. States of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and West Uttar Pradesh are used to seeing these winter's rains on a continuous basis. However, as far as the central parts of the country are concerned, rains usually are far and few during this period. However, now some unseasonal rains are set to lash the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra on December 28th and 29th. In fact, parts of the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar and Jharkhand will also witness some showers during the same time frame. For Madhya Pradesh, the eastern parts will be witnessing some showers, while Vidarbha in Maharashtra will be the region getting the most rain. These rainfall activities are attributed to the cyclonic circulation which is over Rajasthan region. This system has already given rains over the northern parts and will now cover some areas of the central India. Delhi NCR region received intermittent rain last evening and night, and mostly it was light rainfall measuring 3 to 5 millimeters spread equally across the region. This wet spell finally broke the jinx of dry weather for the last 3 weeks. It is not yet over and done, and more rainfall is expected in the late hours today and tomorrow. Western disturbance is marked over the parts of the Afghanistan and northern Pakistan. Induced cyclonic circulation is placed over northwest Rajasthan and adjoining areas. Both the weather systems will move eastward, resulting snowfall across western Himalayas and rain thunder shower in the plains. Some parts of the South Rajasthan, West and North Madhya Pradesh and few pockets of the Kutch are expected to receive rainfall today. Delhi falls on the outskirts of this system but still stands a chance to receive stray showers, more probably tomorrow. Sunny weather is likely to turn partly cloudy by late evening and persisting till tomorrow. As the system shifts eastward, the rainfall belt will be dragged along the parts of East Rajasthan, North and West Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh tomorrow. Some hit and miss showers are expected over Delhi NCR region tomorrow late evening and night. The minimum temperatures over northwest and central India have been rising for the last few days. A series of western disturbances is approaching the western Himalayas, which has disrupted the flow of cold northwesterly winds. Minimum temperatures are likely to remain above normal in most parts of the Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh till December 28th. Rain activities and cloudy sky with easterly winds will not bring down the minimum temperatures. However, by December 28th, the day temperature has dropped by 2 to 3 degrees. After the passing of the western disturbance and rain activities, the normal flow of dry and cool northwesterly winds will resume. The minimum temperatures over northwest and central India will decrease once again, and between 29th and 31st December there may be a drop of 3 to 5 degrees. Cold wave conditions will return to parts of Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Some parts of Rajasthan may witness cold weather till the end of the month. The temperature in Churu, Sikar and Bhilwara may once again drop below zero. Frost may also occur over the parts of north and central India. Snowfall in Darjeeling remains a big attraction for the tourists every year. The Queen of Hills conspicuously skips this annual event quite often and rarely sees back-to-back episodes. To set the pace of early snow, essential requirement being freezing temperatures accompanied with the decent wet spell is there. Darjeeling this season so far has received just trace of rainfall and lowest temperatures of 3 degrees Celsius on 27th December. Minimum temperatures of around 0 degrees Celsius help freezing the raindrops into the snowflakes. An active western disturbance has dumped a fair amount of snow in the mid and higher reaches of the northern hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Popular destinations like Srinagar, Manali, Shimla, Mussoorie still await season's first snowfall. This active weather system with its induced circulation over the plains is moving eastward. It is likely to take the rain belt to East India covering Bihar, Jharkhand and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and persistent drop augurs well for a decent duration of snowfall. Rain and thunder showers are also expected to lash Darjeeling, Jalapahar Himalayan mountains range between 20th and 30th December. Darjeeling city is also expected to witness first good winter rains of this season. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon for regular updates.